I'm going to show you a really great bathroom hack that I discovered kind of by accident. As you can see, this tub is partially white and shiny and partially not. This tub's in a vacation home. It's never been used as a bathtub, so there's no reason for it to have a ring. And I had tried many cleansers, scrubs, scrubbing with the scrub brush, soap scum removers. Nothing worked. And then at home, I had a similar problem, and I found that using this 98-cent plastic scraper from Walmart works wonders on removing what I assume is soap scum. So I tried it here. Here's what it looks like when it comes off, the powder, and it's working beautifully. So all you do is scrape and watch it fall. Be sure you use a plastic scraper, not a metal one, because that will scratch the porcelain. So good luck, hope it works for you.